Hey guys, did you ever search how to speed up your Android or upgrade Android to the newer versions? Then this video is for you. Yes, we are about to talk about installing ROM, or you can say installing unofficial Android version to the phone. Here I have my daily driver, Moto G32, which is running Android 15 Lineage OS. This is a base ROM, which means it gives better stability and less customization capability. Before this ROM, this phone was installed with Android with Android version 14. The main reason for me to switch into custom ROM is there was this GPS error on my phone from which I had navigation problems and lack of customization. Now the problems are fixed by using a custom ROM. Not only fixing problems, by choosing the right custom ROM can increase performance, thermal stability and battery life. Also, by the possibilities of routing, we can further increases the gaming performance and battery thermal stability with the help of some modules. There will be a video coming out soon about increasing gaming performance with root modules, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell to get notified soon as I upload. So on this low-end Moto device, which already comes with nearly stock Android OS, had not much of noticeable performance boost. But mid-range phones from companies like Xiaomi, Realme, Poco etc., which comes with lot of bloatware and some with less software integrity, will surely get that performance boost through custom ROMs. So to find the right one for you, first you need to know the code name of your phone. All phone has their own specific code name as per the motherboard. You can just Google it. Now you need to know your purpose of installing this ROM. There are ROMs available, which output better stability than other ROM. Or you can search on YouTube about best custom ROM device specific, or else. If find the name of that specific custom ROM, now it's time to download it. Now most of the custom ROMs has their official website, you just need to log on to that. Try to search ROM by the code name for your device and always install the ROM as per the instructions on the website for better stability. So that's it. If you have any questions or suggestions, please drop it in the comment box, and thank you for watching.